Nchumurigereria obo Emeroberio kubwatiwa kwa Ebibande nigo bono egendrete koenekiwa senchiringia na boigo eserikali nigebegete Emeroberio yokoenekia Ebibande biribira sechia bisichiae kubwatwa kwa birigo chia 7 na inchi ababiganeti nenchire moigo chokobakonya na kobaoroberia Emeroberio yokwerikia kobaba kichikura BOSIO BW'OBOCHORI OBONENE aiga nkoreng'ana no mwabiso omonene ase department etenderete oboerani bwa mang'ana Stephen ISABOKE kagokwana sense ya nyamache bunge obasi county ya Kisii nigaburira abananchi ba ESOKIE na kuoya Ebibande na KWERIKIA sobonge kobaba kichikura BOSIO BW'OBOCHORI OBONENE.
The government is very committed to facilitate or fast track the issue of ID issuance. I've seen none other than the CS for Interior, or in fact the PS for e-citizen services. In short, government has opened all these channels for registration, including Huduma centers and many of these forums for the youth to register. We encourage as many youth as possible to come out and register, and that process will be fast-tracked. Where they have difficulty, we've got Ngao here with the assistant chiefs to intervene to make sure that no one is actually left disenfranchised.